Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to draw a realistic cat with charcoal pencils. These are the 3 charcoal pencils which I have used in this video. It can also be done using normal graphite pencils. Two basic techniques are to be used in this video. They are indentation method and dry painting. Now let's get a basic idea about them. For the indentation method, we need an empty ballpoint pen, and using an empty ballpoint pen, we have to create some indentation lines, that is depressed lines. And over these lines, we should add a base layer using the hard charcoal pencil and blend it using a dry brush. This is the dry brush technique. And then add few dark lines over it to get the realistic fur effect. First, draw a rough outline of the cat using a normal HB pencil, and then using a hard charcoal pencil, give outline for the eyeballs. Then shade the area in between the two outlines using a hard charcoal pencil and blend it using a dry brush. Once it is done, start shading the center of the eyeball with a hard charcoal pencil, and don't forget to leave few areas of light reflection to easily achieve the realistic effect. Once it is done, add few indentation lines along the circumference of the eyeball using an empty ballpoint pen. Make sure to add few lines along the border of the nose. And keep an eye along the direction of the lines. The line should fade towards the ending and should be broad at the base. Then add dark lines using hard charcoal pencil along the periphery of the eyeball and extend the shading outwards with the darker lines and also along the nose. Complete the other eye by repeating the same steps as shown below, and these steps can be repeated to achieve the desired effects, and more layers can be added as per our wish. Start the head region by adding indentation lines with an empty ballpoint pen. The direction of the fur here plays an important role in determining the realism achieved. Once it is done, start to give a light beige shade with a hard charcoal pencil and blend it with a dry brush. Make sure to apply enough pressure while blending the base lines. Then add few dark lines with soft or medium charcoal pencil to give the fur effect, and also don't forget to blend these lines a little. Give a rough outline for the ears first and start adding very few indentation lines along the inner corner of the ears. Once done, give darker shades 2 to 3 mm below the periphery of the outline and along the lower parts of the ears. Then draw few oblique strokes connecting both the sides of the ears using smooth charcoal pencil. After completing all these steps, blend it out with a dry brush. This step is followed by erasing the rough outline of the ears and some of the hairs inside to give the realism. Other side of the head is also completed by following the same steps as shown below. Keep an eye on the direction of indentation lines, which plays an important role in this realistic drawing. If needed, you can also make use of a reference image. The drawing drawn here is uploaded in my Instagram handle. You can check it out and use it as a reference image. Link for my Instagram handle is given in the description below. Start the center part of the forehead by adding few indentation lines. Mostly these indentation lines are almost vertical in direction and give a nice dark shade with a smooth charcoal pencil and blend it out with a dry brush. This is followed by giving few darker strokes with a smooth charcoal pencil in the areas needed. For the nose, shade it completely with a hard charcoal pencil and don't forget to add few dark strokes along the periphery of the nose. The area below the eyes is also done by following the same technique. First, give indentation lines for the fur. The line should fade towards its end and the base should be broader. Then add a base layer using a hard charcoal pencil and blend it using a dry brush. Leave few areas without shading for the highlights. Once the blending is done, add dark strokes with a soft charcoal pencil and blend it out a little. Start adding few indentation lines in the mouth region. This is followed by giving a dark outline for the mouth using a soft charcoal pencil and then continue giving indentation lines in the surrounding regions. Once all the indentation lines are done, start adding dark lines along the mouth and extend it outwards. Now give a very light beige shade in this region and blend it with a dry brush. This is followed by adding few dark strokes of lines using a soft or medium charcoal pencil. Once the whole part is done, complete it by blending. Repeat the same steps as shown before and complete the other side of the face. We are moving on to a much easier part. For the legs, first add few indentation lines along the outer borders of the leg. Note that only few indentation lines should be added along the outer part. Then give a light beige shade with a hard charcoal pencil and blend it out with a dry brush. This is followed by darkening the inner part of the leg with a soft charcoal pencil. Also, keep an eye along the outer outline of the face and darken it very carefully. The same steps is also done for the other leg. First add few indentation lines along the outer border of the legs and then add darker shades along the inner side. Complete the pass by adding contrasting colors in the depressed and elevated areas. For the whiskers, I have used here a white corrector pen. Discharge some of the white corrector ink in a paper and then apply it to the drawing using a sharp tipped pencil, or you can use a white gel pen also. And finally, the drawing is complete. You can keep adding more layers on the top to achieve the realistic effect desired. Thank you.